Hi everyone, welcome back to TechWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most frustrating and common issues in Windows 10 and Windows 11. When your search bar completely stops working, freezes, or won't let you type anything. I've got two easy methods to get it working again, so let's jump right into it. Now, before making any deep system changes, let's try a quick refresh that fixes this issue most of the time. Go down to your taskbar, right-click on an empty space, and select Task Manager. If you're on Windows 11, you can also press the Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open it up. Once the Task Manager is open, make sure you are on the Processes tab. Scroll all the way down until you locate Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. Your desktop and taskbar will disappear for just a quick second and then pop right back up. Give the search bar a try, and frequently, that's all it takes to fix the glitch. If method 1 didn't work, don't worry. This second method goes a layer deeper to fix the corrupted background permissions. Let's right-click on your Windows logo start button and select Run. In the Run dialog box, let's type regedit and press OK to open the Windows Registry editor. In the left sidebar of the Registry editor, look for the very top folder named HKey Classes Root. Right-click on it and select Permissions. In the windows that pops up, we need to add a missing system permission group. Click on the Add button, then click on Advanced. And on the right side, click Find Now. Scroll through the search results list at the bottom until you find all application packages. Select it, click OK, then OK again. And now you should see all application packages listed under the group or username section. Click on it to highlight it, and in the permission box below, make sure that the Allow box next to the Read is checked. And once that is verified, click Apply, then OK, and close out of the Registry editor. And finally, go ahead and restart your computer to fully apply the changes. Once your PC boots back up, your Windows search box should be completely responsive and working perfectly. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you, and as always, please like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.